This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. Today we've got a 2025 Peterbilt 548 with a 50,000 pound Galbreath hook lift. There's a 370 horsepower PX9 with 1,250 foot-pounds of torque. Allison 3000 series transmission. £20,000 steer axle. 46,000 pound Dana rear axles with 46,000 pound Hendrickson Hallmark suspension. 557 gears. Got 11R 24/5 rear drive tires on Alcoa aluminum wheels. And 315 22/5 steer tires. Polished air tanks, polished battery box cover, polished steps, chrome mirror covers, stainless visor. Let's take a look under the hood. And there is our 370 horsepower PX9. Look around the interior. You got your CB radio mounted up top. Bed controls. Inner axle lock, diff lock, PTO switch, Bluetooth radio. She's ready to go to work. So give me a call, 706-372-4698. Let's put this truck to work for you.